how to restrict someone on Facebook. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook and make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, in the top right corner you can see your profile icon with 3 horizontal lines, so tap on that. After that, you can see the friends option over here in all shortcuts, so you have to tap on friends option. So you have to tap on your friends option, and here you have to select the person whom you want to restrict. After that, you can see the profile of the person, and here in the right hand side you can see the 3 dotted horizontal line, so simply tap on that. After tapping on that, you can see here is no any option of restricting the person, so you can tap on block, and here you'll be able to see take a break option in blue letter, so you can tap on that. Until it loads, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. So restricting someone means not sharing your post and stories to the person. So here also you can enable the person from reaching to your post. So for that, you can see list of the person profile. You can tap on see options over here and you can limit from there. Further, you can scroll down below and you'll be able to see edit who can see your past post option, so you can tap on see options over here, and from here you can select with whom you want to share the posts, and by doing that the person will not be able to reach to your post and it seems like restricting the person. And by following this simple step you can restrict someone on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.